Dual nature of radiation and matter chapter, 12th class physics, inter second year physics, important numerical problem. So what is the de Broglie wavelength associated with an electron accelerated through the potential difference of 100 volts? So important one for 2 marks in public examination. Potential difference is a given, V is 100 volts, and we want to find de Broglie wavelength of electron. De Broglie wavelength of electron we want to calculate. It is denoted by lambda, which is a question mark. But in the previous class we derived the formula for it. So wavelength for this one is a 12.27 angstrom unit by square root of V అనే ఫార్ములాను మనం డెరైవ్ చేసాం. సో నౌ V is nothing but potential difference. So this is a given 12.27 by root V value is 100, that is a 12.27 by, so 12.27 root 100 means this is a 10. So on dividing this value with 10 we can get 1.227 angstrom units, or 1.227 into 1 angstrom unit means 10 power minus 10 meters. So most important one for 2 marks. So for derivation of this formula already explained in the previous class, so you can find in the playlist dual nature of radiation and matter. So playlist lo untadi derivation of this formula. So this is important. That's all today's class.